Kau ada pakcik anak ha. Lama mana? Video. Hi. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I can speak English, but I understand. What the fuck? Motherfucker. Anjing, itu bahasa Vietnam.
Cut.